Hi and hello. Welcome to the lecture series of blockchain technology. Myself, M.Naveenraj, Assistant Professor, CSE IoT Department. In today's topic, we are going to talk about types of blockchain. So we all know that blockchain is a recent technology and it is used by every industries whoever want to safeguard their transaction histories and okay, so in that we called as blockchain, we called as a public distributed ledger technology. So that means ledger is nothing but a your database, the transaction database is called as a ledger. So this will be distributed to all over the nodes in the network. Nodes is nothing but a system that we are using every day, right? So next is what are the different types of blockchain. So normally the blockchains are classified into basic two types, and we can call it as a third type as a hybrid one. Okay, so here the basic two types are private and public blockchain. So normally everyone in the world is doing some transaction, right? So for example, myself sending 100 rupees to my dad or father, it is called one transaction. Similarly, I am sending any amount to my friends or any industries, any organization, wherever I buy some things in the shop, in the market or mall or anywhere, the transaction is going on. So this transaction is, everything is under control of the government. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So we all know that, for example, I am having 100 rupees note. I am just going to give to this 100 rupees note to my friend, just for buying some biscuits. Okay. For example, this 100 rupees note is given by me to my friend who is a shopkeeper. So he is working in a shop, that is a market, a mall, anywhere. Okay, so I'm going to give 100 rupees, he is going to give me a biscuits, that's all. So which is a trust, right? This 100 rupees note is accepted by the government, so I'm giving this paper, empty paper. In that 100 rupees note is printed, 100, the number is printed, and the necessary government photos and their name is displayed. So by keeping this as trust, my friend is getting this white paper with printing these government criteria, and he is giving me a material, right? Similarly, this is normally the physically done, but in terms of digital, what is meant by digital currency? That is nothing but a Bitcoin. So in terms of Bitcoin, I am going to give share my Bitcoin to someone faculty, someone through the ID. So he is going to get the Bitcoin from me, and he is going to give me some material, something back to me. Okay, so this is a blockchain technology. These all things work under the blockchain technology for the safety purpose, and it is distributed all over. There is no central authority here. So in terms of digital, in blockchain technology, there is no central governing authority. That's why I am telling here. This is going to classify into two different types. First one is a public and another one is a private. These are basic types. So what I am going to talk about. So normally it is for example, the Bitcoin or the Ethereum. These are the words we have recently talking about in terms of blockchain technology. What is the Bitcoin? It is nothing but a digital currency. Okay, digital currency. So for instead of the 100 rupees note and 500 rupees note, what we are transferring every day in life, I'm going to share some coins through digitally. That is called the Bitcoin. Okay, this is working under the blockchain technology. So it is like some competitions are going on. Whoever wins the competition, that particular person will get a reward. Similarly, in order to get Bitcoin, I am going to do some powerful mathematical calculations in digitally. So if I win these calculations among so many participants in the network, I am going to get reward as a Bitcoin. So what the value of Bitcoin, you all know? The one Bitcoin value will be around, for example, if it is a one Bitcoin, that in terms of Indian rupees, I am going to get this is a 1.5 crores. What is that? 1.5 crores. For example, if I earn a one Bitcoin as a 3 Bitcoin as a salary, just imagine what is my salary package. Okay, so those who are going to do some mining process, they are going to get the Bitcoin as a reward. So this Bitcoin's value is very high in terms of okay, when coming to the public blockchain, what they are doing here is there is no central authority here. It is fully decentralized. You don't need to worry about the banks. Okay, you don't need to worry about who is going to why should I give a service charge for the processing of money, my transactions. If I am sending an amount to my friend, why should I pay for a bank? Okay, so you don't need to worry about that here. So for examples are Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two which is shown in the PPT, are the place under the public blockchains. Okay, that is nothing but where it is used. So it is used in terms of cryptocurrencies and public records and DApps everywhere. These public blockchains are applying. Okay. Another one is private blockchain. So this private blockchain is nothing but under government control, we call it as private blockchain. Okay, for example, if I am attending a lot of transaction in my organization, I want to register this with the help of the government. So that is called private blockchain. Next one is you will be having hybrid blockchain. In this hybrid blockchain, here both public and private will be combined manner. Okay, so here the transaction of private will allowed under